Hello everyone and welcome to Shard TCG. My name is James and today we're going to be looking at the website that Richard set up and we're going to be making a brand new creature card for the Demon set. This is the first one that we made already. It's the Apollyon. This video is just to have a quick look at how we make the Shard cards. Unfortunately, I can't show you everything that's under the hood because that's Richard's department. But as I said, we can show you the step-by-step processes to how we make the cards. And I hope you find that enjoyable. If you do, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's dive in. So, as I say, we've got the Apollyon here. But what we're going to do is create a brand new card. So what we want to do is go to create new cards right here. There we go. And today, I'm going to have to put in the reference. So because it's a part of the Demon set, we have to go down to Demon Structure. And we're going to give the reference number 002. And this creature will be the Mala Mala. Like that. Extra A's. All the A's. And this is another fire type demon. We're not going to go overboard on the fire types. We will have a couple. So we need to go and set it to demon. Because he's not a beast. He's a demon. It's fire type. He's just a one shard creature. And we'll give him a standard 2 health because our healths tend to go up in 2s, but if we find that if their effects aren't very strong, we'll give them extra health, or if the effects are really strong, we'll give them lower health. So we do that, and then we want to bring in the Mala Mala picture. I have it here. So let's drag that and drop the card in the image there. That's great, it failed. That's because I haven't saved, which means the code wasn't generated. So now, gotta learn these things. Mala Mala. Oh, so it did save the image. Excellent. Oh, and it gave it some strong attacks, working in alphabetical order. So it's got Abolish and Acid Splash. So we're going to have to assign new actions to this creature. So for the defensive action, or the secondary action I should say, we're going to give it a block. So we want to go to fire, and we've got a list of all the fire actions that we've already made. So if we have ones that match up statistic wise, we can assign it to that. So see, we want to go with just blocks. So we've got a couple of blocks here. We've got Firewall, that's a 1 block with wounding, and then we've got a Heat Shield, that's a 1 block without wounding. For people who don't know, in Shard, damage isn't permanent unless there's a wounding on it. Then it's a -1 to their maximum health. So for this creature, his effect is going to be all about wounding, so I'm not sure how overboard we want to go with wounding. He might not even have a block at the end, but we'll give him the wounding for now. So he's got Firewall. And then we want a brand new ability. So I was going to show you how we do that as well. So let's save that. And we're going to go to Action Manager. There we go. We want to create a new action. And we're going to name it Igniting Impact. And then it's a fire ability. It's an attack, so we can pick attack, block, and counters. So we want attack, and then it's a fire ability, like so. Just to show you the full list there, that's all. Already knew it was on fire. And the effect, we want to give this wounding as well. He's all about the wound. Just a 2 power. Okay, so we save that. And then we go back to Manager, Card Manager. And then we type in the Mala Mala, like so. Go to here and we'll search Igniting Impact. There it is, right in the middle. Give that a click. And there's the attack up on the board. Excellent. Now we want the creature's effect. So the creature's effect is a brand new effect as well, as we can just double up on effects. So we want to give them Corrosive. So corrosive, rest creature, inflict 1 wound to the creature on the field. So at the moment he's got that, but we're not going to keep that. What we're going to do is go to here. We're going to go to create effect manager. We're going to create a brand new effect, but we have the information for the effect like that. So gain 1 shard when attacking a creature that already has wounds. So if you can get the Malamala out and wound a creature, next time the Malamala attacks, it will be able to gain shards. Right, so now we have to come up with a name for this effect. Well, for now we'll call it Soul Letting, like bloodletting. Okay, so now that we have Soul Letting, we can go back to Card Manager. And then we want to search the Malamala again. There we are. And instead of corrosive, we're going to give it Soul Letting. So it should be there. There we go. So there we are. That's the Malamala. So these stats may not stay the same. We could go a 1-3-1 with Zealot. And the way we add Zealot is we go to Titles. And we have all of these. Zealot allows a creature to attack twice in a turn. They can perform 2 actions. So if the Malamala had that, it would be quite strong. And Zealot really ties in with fire. It's like a furious fire, like fiery temperament. So it goes all in and attacks twice. So fire and lightning really ties in with the Zealot title. Or we could even start testing it at this level right now and see how strong Zealot is on this creature. So one more thing as well, because I do need to add a new rarity symbol, but at the moment we're giving the demons the promo symbol. At the moment we've got common, that's the 1 dot, uncommon 2 dots, rare 3 dots, ultra rare 4 dots, but starts getting a bit fancier, and then legendary 5 dots, and one's even a little diamond thing. But for now the demons are getting the promo symbol. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.